Hi, thanks for joining me. Today we're running further tests of my Arduino controlled CNC. We're going to be machining a round inset pocket and a similar round plug. These will be designed in Easel, the free software. I'm using the same shape, one machined inside as a pocket and one machined outside of the shape as a plug. This will test the registration and configuration scaling my Arduino controlled router using a quarter inch straight cut router bit. As you see, it starts at the center of the pocket and works its way out. We'll do a few passes the process so we can see the finished product. For viewers of previous videos, you'll notice I've cut away part of the router guard to make a better experience for watching the video. So that's the round pocket being machined bit. When it's finished, lift out of the pocket and return to the 0, 0 position. The program for the Arduino, the GRBL or garble, need configuring so that an inch of movement on the program equals an inch of movement on the machine. That's why I'm running these tests, to see exactly what size difference we've got between the software and the hardware. That's the machining of the pocket almost complete. The router bit will raise up, move to 0, 0, and then I'll manually power it down and we'll have a look at the finished cut. It's just in a softwood, so there'll be a few furry edges, but let's have a look at it and see exactly what we've got. So that's the pocket. The depth looks deeper than I'd planned, and the diameter, well, that's anybody's guess till we measure it. Now let's machine the plug and see whether the plug would fit the pocket. So we're using the same drawing on the easel software, just machining around the outside of the circle. Same bit, larger piece of wood to allow for the outside of the, not to be too close, metal vice. Avoid any catastrophes with router bits, hardened metal. This is considerably quicker than the pocket. Simple shape, passes, as you will. Yes, now bear in mind that this same drawing of a circle, both machining processes. The only difference being going around the outside of the shape. So you would same shape, same circle, same router bit, Arduino, same router. It's all down to how the GRBL ciphers what's 1/1000 of an inch on the machine. Can be configured. There are variables within the GRBL. Can configure. It's just a case of doing test cuts, seeing whether an inch millimetre equals a millimetre, and then adjusting the GRBL to suit. That's the round plug nearly machined. I'll power down, take the piece out of the vise, have a look at it, and then measure it with some vernier calipers and see what the sizes turned out to be. So that's the round plug. Surface finish quite good, the base quite good, not many furries, would clean up very easily. Now let's measure it. The depth of both machine operations turned out to be the same, which is okay. So the diameters slightly different. I will need to alter the GRBL, but that's all part of the test process. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon for more tests and machining on my home built Arduino controlled CNC machine. Thanks for watching.